Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Who says you need a grill to enjoy perfectly roasted corn on the cob? With the magic of your air fryer, you can achieve the same mouth-watering results without even stepping outside. Say goodbye to burnt or unevenly cooked corn and hello to crispy, juicy corn on the cob, straight out of the air fryer. So, grab your corn and let's get cooking some seriously delicious corn on the cob. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, you're going to shuck 2 ears of corn. When you're doing this step, just make sure that you're looking for any dirt or imperfections that you might want to remove. Once the corn is clean and shucked, you can brush the corn with softened butter. Now that the corn is covered in butter, you can take some of the Cajun seasoning and sprinkle that on top of the corn. Then place the corn inside of the air fryer basket and cook for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can rotate the corn halfway through the cooking time. After 15 minutes, you will have juicy and delicious corn on the cob. At this point, you could also optionally brush the top with more butter and fresh cilantro to serve. The air fryer has worked its magic, producing perfectly sweet and buttery corn on the cob with just the right amount of crunch. And you don't even have to go outside and grill it. So easy. So, if you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you'll find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.